Remember, this is review for Unit 4 test, day 2. I think on yours, some of you, I forgot to change it to 4. I can't put that 3, the letters. Luis is trying to figure out which company is cheaper to buy for t-shirts. Man It All sells 12 for 3 t-shirts, so 3 t-shirts for $12. Okay. And 8 t-shirts for $17. 8 for 17. Cool It charge per. So Cool It is easy. So sells 8 per t-shirt. 8 times X, the number of t-shirt. Okay, write a linear equation for Cool It. Okay, linear equation for Cool It. Y equals Cool It is just this right here. 4x. X represents the number of t-shirts. Okay, Y represents how much you're going to pay or the cost in dollars. Okay. B, find the rate of change for Man It All. Man It All. Man It All is $3.12 and $8.17, right? 8 t-shirts for $17. Okay. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay. This is the other one, the first part. I'm checking it to see if I can upload yet. Not yet. Okay. Finding the rate of change. The rate of change is M equals to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Y2 is 17 minus 12, Y1, 8 minus 3. M equals 5 over 5, so rate of change is 1. That's your rate of change. Okay, right. And the next one is write the equation in point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1, which is 12, m is 1, x minus x1 is 3. Distribute first. The 1 doesn't change anything. It leaves x minus 3, or x plus a negative 3 equals to y plus a negative 12. Make negative 12 equal to 0 by adding 12. Okay? You get y equals to x plus 9. Where the y-intercept is 9, the rate of change is 1. If they ask that. Graph it. Okay? All right, graph it. These are relatively small numbers. Okay? If they're relatively small numbers, you can label them all by 1. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me see where they meet first of all to make sure. Okay, let's see where they meet. Okay, let's see where, let's use substitution. See where they meet. Y equals to 4x, or so okay, we're gonna save this one. 4x equals to x plus 9 minus x minus x. You get 3x equals to 9, x then equals to 3. Okay, if x is 3, y-intercept, okay, we're going to use that. So 4 y equals to 4x. So in place of x, we put 3. Y is 12. Okay, we're going to keep it by 1. It's going to cross at 3, 12. Okay, so 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and going up the same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay, So it's going to cross at 312. 312. Both lines going to intersect right there. I'm going to give it a special color, pink. Yeah, shocking pink. 312 right there. It's where the two lines will meet. Okay. Let's make it a nice bigger one. Okay, let's do cool it is 4x. So you start out at 0, and you go up 4 over 1, 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 and that is the equation for, cool it, right? Yeah, and then you write cool it. The next equation is mannitol. Mannitol is 9, x plus 9, so it starts out right there. X is mean goes up 1 over 1. Okay, 1 over 1 all the way. And that is mannitol. And if you do this, you get a 2 only because you're forgetting the independent and dependent variable. X represents number of shirts. So down here, you need to write number of shirts. It's from up here. Y is total cost in dollars, so this is cost in dollar amount, okay? All right, I'm gonna post it, okay? The first one. I think I'm done. So it's gonna take up your time, sorry. But if I don't do this. Come on. Okay. Here we go. That's the first part. It's uploading. All right. Takes a while, you see. I'm taping and okay. Explain to your family and friend which company they should go to buy their t-shirts based from how many t-shirts they want to buy. Oh, sorry for the English error. Show examples to explain. Okay. If they want to buy less than 3 shirts, they should shop from Cool It. If my family wants to buy they should buy from Cool It. It's cheaper because the graph is lower. If they want to buy over t-shirts, if they want to buy 3 t-shirts, it doesn't matter who they buy from. They both charge $12. If they want to buy 3 t-shirts, it will cost $12 from both company, so it does not matter which company they buy from. Okay, so more than 3, any amount of t-shirt more than 3, they should buy it from Man It All because it's a lower graph than Cool It. If more than 3 t-shirts, it does not matter. If more than 3 shirt, it does matter. Man It All, more than 3 shirt, it's cheaper to buy from Man It All because the graph is lower. Is lower than Cool It. Okay. Now, just in case they give you a bigger number to graph, I think this one is like your quiz question. Okay. See what's going on. Okay. As a fundraiser for band Mr. Brink, the Ross Band instructor plan to sell hats and feature the logo. The company newspaper will charge the band $15 for design fee and setup fee, so they're both the same. $5 per hat, so per means time. $15 setup fee, so $15 setup for design and setup cost. So write an equation. Oh, this is cost, right? Write a linear equation that represents the cost and profit. For design is also a cost. The band members have decided to sell the hats for $10 each. Okay? I'm getting tired, you guys. $10 each times 10. 10 what? 10x for hats. Okay, so write a linear equation for cost. That you're selling it, so this is income. So, and the profit in dollar to make and sell the hats. Define your variable. Okay, so cost is 5 times x, the number of hats, plus the $15. That's y. X is the same thing. I mean, income is the same thing. It's 10x. Y. Okay, so x represents number of hats, and y represents the cost / income in dollar. And that number of hats goes here. That's your x. Your y is the cost. And income in dollar amount. Okay. So when you're graphing these, what is the coordinate for the solution? So I may ask that. Okay. probably and explain what it means as it relates to the problem situation. Okay, what are the coordinates? We can do substitution. Okay, 5x plus